Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Umkhokha, on Monday, Sphamandla leaves the throne in a capable hands while he goes to Mozambique to support Mabusi. The Gumets wants to pick up the pieces of their lives. On Tuesday, KHULEKANI finds himself profoundly daunted as he is entrusted with monumental task of stepping into a divine role. Ndlovu attempts to make the council members challenge Sphamandla's decision, and Mabusi is tormented by not being able to hold her child. On Wednesday, Spha'S drops another bombshell on Sphamandla and Mabusi about Vulindlela. Ndlovu plays mind games with KHULEKANI, Mamzobe and Difa get closer. On Thursday, Mabusi has to watch the most important thing in her life being taken away from her. Ndlovu refuses to perform his duties at the church while Nobuntu's life seems to make a turn for the better. On Friday, feeling of doubt and inadequacy plague Tempilile and causes new sheriff in waiting. A prodigal daughter finally finds something worthwhile. Speculations are rife about the state of the Mthembu family. Thank you for watching.